Alright, hey guys, welcome, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. So today we are going out of town for the Labor Day weekend. So that's what's up. Yeah. We're heading into we're heading into Montego Bay. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna eat. Well, we're in the Starbucks drive-through. If you can see, yeah, we're in the Starbucks drive-through. I feel like strawberry cheesecake frappuccino, but it's only if Dens is there. So only if Dens is there, we'll have. But if not, I'll take a blended strawberry lemonade. So find out if Dens today.
Hi, good afternoon. Hello.
Hi, welcome to Starbucks.
Hi, afternoon. Is Dens there?
Repeat for me, please.
Is Dens there?
Venti.
Alright, so we're out of Jackson Plaza, as you guys saw. We're still in the Starbucks drive-through line, just waiting to go to the window to pick up. But an update for out here, if you guys can see. Let me turn on the camera. Alright, so there's going to be sakura out here. So my little thing is, I am wondering if the sakura that is going to come here, if it's going to be the inside, as in not inside but dining type of sakura. Because you know, if you would have traveled to Ocean Corals or Eden Bay, they have sakura that they do the frying up in front of your face, like they do the fried rice in front of your face, they cook the meat in front of your face, like all of that, if you know that type of thing. So I'm wondering if it's that type of sakura or if it's the one that is in Ocherius, the one that you just go and buy. They have the full layout and you just choose what you want and go. Because if it's that, I mean, this plaza would be like basically a replica of 8 Rivers Plaza. And I mean, why not have something different? I don't know their business plan, their idea, but I'm just saying. So if this is the nice indoor dining one, then that would be great. Right? So yeah. So we're currently still waiting on this person here to get through. Get extra strong, but it's the milk. With this drink, nobody can spoil it. I don't know. I'm not gonna say nobody, but I've tried it without having a special person requested to make it, and I don't see where it has been spoiled at any point. So this is the BSL blended strawberry lemonade. It's really good. I don't know if you guys if that part was in the video when we were requesting a particular person. We are requesting that particular person because she makes the best strawberry cheesecake frappuccino at Jack's Hall location. So if you come to Jack's Hall and you decide you want to try the strawberry cheesecake strawberry cheesecake frappuccino, you can request somebody named Dens. She make the best. Am I lying? No, I'm not lying. I'm not lying. You see, when she don't make it not ready.
Just missing.
Something is always missing if Dens don't make it. So Dens at Jackson location is the best person for the strawberry cheesecake lemonade. So we're currently on the road to head to Montego Bay. So I'll tune in back to you guys whenever there's something else to come in back. Alright, so make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Hi guys. Oh, look, recording me I do. See Garden Hotel. A little view. of Seaguard Hotel. So we're in Montego Bay. No. So it's just a little viewing of Sea Garden Hotel that is here. Alright guys, so we are going to head to our villa now. So we're going to head at our villa. We're going to our villa, and then if anything we'll come back and check in back with daddy later. So we're leaving. We are leaving his resort. So that's the update. So we are in Montego Bay. I mean, everything would have shown until that already. So as soon as I get to our property, then I'll check in back with you guys and update you all on everything. All right. Guys, look at this. This is such a cool entertainment. Hello. It's not even look. All right. So down here you have Margaritaville. It's like this is just like the hip strip entertainment section for Montego Bay. So this is where Margaritaville. We just passed it. So it's like the uptown hip strip where people will come to stay when like to just come and view and visit all of that. So yeah. Alright guys, so we got to our villa and we got to our property and we checked in and everything. I'm going to give you a tour and everything, but however we're going to run to the supermarket and then come back. So yeah, that's the update for now. Alright guys, so we're currently in the supermarket. Let's go walk around now. Alright, walk and go here. So yeah, we're currently in this supermarket. We're at Progressive. At Progressive. The only thing I hate about coming to Progressive is that, well, two things. The taxes are always a trickster. Your price like fly up in the air and you don't even realize. The second thing is I hate coming to Progressive and not remembering my Progressive card, because you know you want to save a few dollars. When you left your card, you don't save anything because you get nothing in return. So that's like one bummer for me. Okay.
Small of a rum cream then rum cream. So forget.
Where you saw them?
No.
Where?
She said no man I see them.
So how you said
No
it?
man a rum cream they having some.
Oh. So we got a few things already. Because we already went grocery shopping from back in country. Because you know these places when you come here, the prices are double times added. But it's for the milk section there. Milk. Oh, right here. Hi guys, so today's Sunday, and I had to run water, and we're going to Starbucks now to get something to drink. Babe around there, he's a bit pissed because he just got a ticket over the airport. So yeah. Hi guys, so I got a cheesecake frap, and we're heading back to our villa now. So that's what's up. So we're gonna get a Domino's pizza. Oh my god, the place, mommy. We're over Fairview Mall too as well. Last time we came to Montego Bay, we came to this mall, so we're gonna get a Domino's pizza. We're gonna munch pan until we sort out our meal. That's your what? Let me try to try them way.
You won't be there.
Okay. Alright, let me order. And it's the first time actually I show you guys that babe got a car. Babe got a car. Babe has his own car. Yay! Go yay in the comment section. Aren't you excited, fool? I'll clean off the camera. You gonna throw the garbage and come and tell the throw the house. Him waiting. Watch him. So babe got a Subaru Impreza car. Person I know. To me tell no. Right? Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Watch him. Hey, dirty crooks of the man.
Yeah, uncomfortable.
Are we sure it's open? In here look empty. No, it's not in an empty bottle. Alright guys, as I had mentioned early on in the vlog when we were on the road that today is Sunday. So I just seasoned this half of this chicken and I'm gonna pop it in the oven. So it's gonna be baked chicken with fish. Baby's starting out the fish, so whenever he gets to that part I will feature it and let you guys see what's going on. Rice, some peas. Ooh. Wow. Yeah. You come back now. Rice and peas here going on, and we just chill and I watch TV meanwhile. So that's what's up, right? Me and babe here. Alright guys, so this is babe's presentation of his fish. He's roasting them because he's gonna cover it with the foil paper. So yeah, that's what's up for dinner today. Roast fish, baked chicken, and rice and peas. So I'm gonna end off the vlog with all the food being presented, and then I'm gonna start a new vlog when everything is all finished and you guys can see the result in that vlog. All right.